while ago. This is the shiny one, no? But the sciatic nerve is underneath.
Kita ba?
But it's just right underneath that structure actually. So, kuuton lang ninyo and then you remove it from its where it is adherent to the muscle, where it is adherent to. Because ano man, you have to isolate the sciatic nerve. Why? Because we need that sciatic nerve later on to be isolated. We have to put it above the electrode later on when we try to stimulate our muscle. So this is now the sciatic nerve. You have also another one on the other side, no? But we will not open that anymore. We will proceed. So next is to identify your gastrocnemius muscle. Okay? Who can point to us the gastrocnemius muscle of the frog?
Kanino?
This one, nasa man siya diri.
Ay, kanino?
Yeah, this is your gastrocnemius muscle or your bagtak. So we go under your gastrocnemius muscle. We go under, insert the scissor underneath your gastrocnemius muscle and then proceed down. That is your Achilles tendon. So this is your Achilles tendon. We remove it, okay, but we try to get the longest Achilles tendon that we can. Why? Because later on, we will have to tie that using our thread. Okay, so kung inyong putlon here, wala na tayo space for tying. So we have to get a long one of your Achilles tendon. Now, so this is now your gastrocnemius and your Achilles tendon isolated from your tibia. We don't need this tibia. This is not part of the muscle nerve that we are going to prepare. So we will just remove it. We will remove it on the proximal part where it is very close to the knee. Okay, so doon sa tuhod na to putlon ang tibia. Okay, so magputol ta sa tibia, not near the foot, ha? But near the knee joint. Always remember that. Now, we are going to our next step, which is removing now the thigh, no? Removing the lower extremity from the body. And we do this by approaching the hip joint. Okay? When you do this, number one, you cannot just cut it off, no? You have to do snips. When you cut the muscle, you have to do snips, no? Gagmay, because we want to expose our femoral head. You know where your femoral head is? No, it's right on top, like a ball, on top of your femur. That's your femoral head. It's actually in your hip joint. So we want to expose the femoral head. Why? Because we don't want to cut it off. Our muscle nerve preparation has that femoral head there intact. So you have to cut the muscle in snips, no? No cutting of bones. Just go through the joint. Pag-ana ganin ninyo gahi, that's already the femur. Do not proceed with cutting it. You go around, approach through the hip joint. So hinay-hinay. Okay, you will know where the hip joint, of course, is. Here. So in the frog, that's, see? Nakita dayon ang femoral head. So when you have that, pwede na mo makakat through the muscle faster na kay it's already removed, no? Or exposed. Oh, pas-pas ra kayo. So first thing that you have to do is expose your femoral head cutting through the muscle, by cutting through the muscles using snips. Now, we don't need the thigh actually. So we will just have to remove the excess muscles on the side, no? Okay, other side. Remember the sciatic nerve is at the middle, so you don't have, you should not fear that you will be able to cut it off, no, when you're cutting the excess muscles. Okay, so we now have our muscle nerve preparation. We now soak the muscle in our Ringer's solution or Ringer's lactate, so we will keep it fresh. Okay. So, we now move to our machines. We're almost done. We now move to our machine.